the inspiration behind the look was a deconstructed low ponytail with an exaggerated texture on the right-hand side. My name's Adam Garland, Global Advocate for Authentic Beauty Concept, and today we're going to be recreating the look from Eudon Choi Fall 2024, which was inspired heavily by the ruins of Pompeii. We start by taking a low side part on the left-hand side. We're then going to bring all the hair over the face. We're going to create an exaggerated texture in this right-hand side, and then we're going to pull everything back into a low ponytail. What I'm trying to create is an exaggeration this way and an exaggeration forwards. I'm now going to create my first ponytail with the remaining hair. And then allowing these pieces around the ear to be our texture, to be our deconstruction. To create an exaggerated texture, we're going to work with a balloon. What I'm going to do is create static and work with the model's hair and just gently use the motion as if I'm backcombing. Next, we're going to work with the solid pomade. I'm just going to come into the roots area and start pressing things down. With my brush, I enhance that even further. Our model today, her hair has gone through a process, so I'm choosing to work with the Replenish Spray. I then use my fingers as a 1, 2, 3, and I pinch the hair to create some peaks and troughs. Then, working with my hairdryer, I'm going to set that into place. I leave my fingers in the hair until it's cooled, so that we really emphasize that texture and the shape that we created. To marry our textures and to finish off, I'm just going to come back to our ponytail and I'm going to go in again and I'm going to overload that with our airy texture. I think this look is a great representation of how you can take a look from Fashion Week and bring it down a notch so that it's wearable for your ladies who may be going out to a party and want something a little bit different, a little bit tougher and a little bit more modern. I hope this look has inspired you to take something from the runway and bring it back to your salon. If you have any questions, drop them in below and be sure to follow and subscribe.